get, the whole thing. Areko. And then that thing over there, nest. Just watch, Lucky, okay? Watch the guy. Watch them, okay? They open the fence over there. One side, so they can get in.
I have to walk all the way around, I guess.
They, like that. Like that. And then you're going to cut it.
How'd they get the rope way up there?
That one.
No, way up there. How'd they get it up there?
That one, they use it. And somebody, it there.
They got a truck there. Here's another truck coming. Look.
Oh, wow. That's long.
They must do a lot of trees to afford all of that.
Yeah, wow, imagine that. Dog is he's watching, Daddy. Lucky's watching, Daddy. Over there, we're watching, Daddy. Yeah. I didn't that messed up. Going up again. Going up again.
You still got a video running?
Yeah. Imagine that. That's amazing to look at. How they got the tall tree. Imagine that. I was amazed. Lucky's amazed.
What does he need a skid steer for?
Lucky's just, silent. Huh? It's there. To get that big,
You're gonna chop it up. Look at that big machine they got.
Oh, that's why they had to carry it going there. That's a huge branch, see? Wow. Imagine that mess. Okay. The machine over there. On the other side, I can't see. See? Oh, it's there. The other side. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's take a look. They're going in the other branch. Near the house in there.
You're gonna get chicken.
Livers. Popeyes. They like Popeyes. Like this wood chop chipper. Lucky is just getting nuts with the guys. So look at that. Oh wow, that's really. What's that?
A big piece of chicken. You're gonna be all on there.
That's huge. Look at the guy's eating a chicken, Lucky. Oh my gosh.
As big as your leg, look.
Oh my god. Later we're going to buy a Popeye's chicken, Daddy. Oh my. The chickens. Oh my. Look at this watching. Oh, amazing. Look at that. Look at that. There's a lot of trees. See. Cutting the big branch now. Oh, boy. Didn't I? They what do you call it? I think it's the one again. It's his turn now. Oh. Like that. I'm done. I will know now, Daddy. 5 minutes now. My video. Huh?
Okay. Y'all coming to get chicken. Maybe I should go get some over there. Step.
Lucky is just watching them. Oh my god, Lucky, they're going to eat
All of them
chicken.
got big pieces. How come we only got little wings and a leg?
Maybe if 3 pieces, I think he had to, the big piece. Because we just ordered 3 pieces, the small ones, The next time you get a big one. That's fine, I get the small ones. Yeah, it's really huge. Oh, it's like in the breast part.
That lift is the secret, though.
What in that?
You got that, man. That's a valuable thing.
It's make their work easier. It makes the work easy.
Boy, those saws are really good. Look how they cut through that stuff. I guess a lot of it's rotten, though.
It's really rotten. It's just easy.
Mine, I'd be all year. I'd be smoking and sputtering and kicking back.
They had, I know. Look at that. Got the other piece on the other side. The wood chipper is ready now. It's ready now.
It's all right, Doc.
They in the eating. He's just watching. Do you think chicken? Ay ay ay. Do you think chicken? Ay ay ay.
That's
Taste.
a big wheelbarrow kind of thing they got.
Look at the wheels.
Look at the wheels on that thing.
Look like.
You go drag racing with them things. Jesus.
Look at that, Lucky. He's cutting another branch. See how rotten is it? It is. Oops! Oh my God! Oh, oops! We're over here now. Other part. I'm going to get the skids there. We're going to bring the wood over there in the
I guess.
what that
Just to lift it
wood
onto
chipper.
lift it over the truck thing.
No, wood chipper.
I wish I had tracks on mine. See, like instead of wheels, it's got the tracks.
Ay, going to lift the big ones. The big ones, Daddy.
Gonna mess up his yard though.
Allah. Allah, la, 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 la. Look at that.
Oh, they're gonna throw it in that big machine.
I
They're
think the
gonna start up.
chicken is gone. They're done with the chicken, see? Wow, look at that. Putting the other branch now. Another long. See, it's just easy, Daddy. Look at that. You almost get everything. Look at that. Look at that. Oh,
Well,
yeah.
they starting up that thing. I have not liked them thing ever since I did that case. The guy killed his wife and threw her in that thing.
Stop.
That was a wood chipper.